So all this for me?
Everything.
Hey!
Thank you, we're fine.
You're looking good.
Thank you.
How about your brother?
Richard is fine. So we actually planned coming together, but something came up. There was an emergency, so we had to attend to that. But Mama, don't worry. Next visit, I promise you, we'll all come together.
Please, I'm waiting. So all this for me?
Mama, in addition, he gave me this 300,000 naira to the items.
You mean it?
Yes.
All for me?
Yes.
Hey, God bless you. God bless you abundantly.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're going to give it to me.
Look at you. You're now a grown-up girl.
Thank you. Thank God.
I'm so happy for you. Can we take them?
Baby,
don't worry. Don't worry.
Thank you for that. Take it easy. Hey.
You're so grown now.
Be fast, so come and carry this one. Hey.
Okay now. Okay now. Where you do this? Hey, Alpha. I told you, bro. You don't forget. I told you, I said you know if you run from me forever. You can't run from me forever, Alpha.
You don't know what is it?
You didn't know.
What is it?
Omo, who gave you the morale to embrace my girl in the public? Who gave you the courage? You the man, you the grace.
You are looking for my trouble. Who is your girl? Who is your girl?
Are you asking me? Abji, Joy is my girl. Everybody in this village, everybody in this community knows that Joy is my girl. In fact, what is remaining for me now is for me to go and pay her bride price. Ina Yala.
Udonna, see, let me warn you. That I ran from you the other day does not mean that I'm afraid of you. I can't even know what. Respect yourself. Ago, respect yourself.
I should respect myself.
Respect yourself and get out of my way.
Me, think myself. Hey, guy, go and prepare for your burial.
Don't touch me again, oh.
You will do what?
Don't push me again, oh. I will change it for you.
Oh, you will change it for me. You change. Are you mad? Are you mad? I will kill you. I will kill you. You may hold that me like that. You will kill him. I will just kill you. I will just kill you. You can't do anything. You can't do anything. Are you mad? No, are you mad? I will do this smack down. I will do this smack down now. I will kill you. I'll break your bones.
Mama, oh. Hi.
Surprised you.
Mama, I am overwhelmed with joy. Hey, Uncle Richard is a good man.
He is. Hey, God, I thank you. God has blessed my late sister's children. 300,000.
300,000.
Mama, put you go and sit down.
Yes, sir.
No more, Mama.
Yes, sir. Hey, Mama, no more staying at home for me.
Yes.
I will go and register my JAMB lesson again. Mama, he promised that he will send me money tomorrow.
This to everybody.
I am happy too. I am happy. God will bless him.
God will bless him. Hey, thank God. God, you have blessed my late sister children.
Yes, sir.
For the reason. It's not easy. Hey. Where is
Mama, I want to spoil this food now.
Let nobody ask me anything. I am so angry like this.
The Jones, Sean, am I the one that sent you out to go and fight? What is your problem? What's my angry?
Mama, you're making me more angry. Oh. You're making me more angry. I don't like this thing you're doing. Are you laughing at me? Are you laughing at me? Huh? Just try and laugh at me again, idiot.
Shut up, stupid boy.
Foolish girl.
Stupid boy.
Mama, did you see that I was slap her with your left on me?
Uncle, thank you for the ice cream.
You're welcome.
Uncle, yeah, I really like ice cream. Daddy bought one for me yesterday.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me ask you. Do you like him?
What do you mean? My dad? Okay, yes, my dad is a good man. He loves me and mommy dearly.
What makes you think he's your dad?
What? What do you mean, excuse?
I mean, how do you believe he's your dad? I mean, what makes you believe he's actually your father?
Oh,
Rex, go to your room. Now. Now!
Rex, you can go guys.
And you? What do you think you're doing? Trying to poison his mind against his father?
Gina, why are you shying away from the truth?
What truth? What is wrong with you? Listen, Benson, name your price. Any amount I am ready to pay, just let me be. Can't you understand that this is over?
Gina, you're very funny. You and I know too well that I can never, ever give up on you. I mean, Gina, have you forgotten all the promises? All the promises we made to each other on that fateful night prior to our passing out of the NYSC camp. Have you?
That was then, Benson.
No, Gina. No. Gina, we just have to open up, okay? Open up to Richard. We just have to explain the situation of things to him. He will understand. Look, Richard is my brother. I know he will.
Understand what? Are you insane? Are you nuts? Understand what? Jesus! Listen, you promised. Benson, you promised. You promised to call it quits once Richard returns from abroad. What has come over you? Why are you doing this to me?
I'm sorry. Okay, I am sorry. I suddenly realized I couldn't do it.
You couldn't do what?
Gina, I love you. Okay? I love you so much.
I don't love you. I love my husband. Don't touch me. Leave me alone. Leave me. I don't like this. Just leave.
What's happening here? Why do you have your hands around my wife's waist? I what? Can you start talking?
I am sorry, Richard. I am sorry.
You're sorry? You're sorry? Can you tell me what you're sorry about? What are you sorry for?
Look, so, honey, can we go? You just came back. Can we go into the room?
Don't touch me. Can you talk?
I love...
You love who? You love who? Who do you love? My love, let's go inside.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. What did you just say?
He doesn't know what he's talking about.
What did you just say?
What I'm saying is,
Huh? No.
Let's go.
Stop talking! What did you just say?
she used to be my girlfriend.
Your what? Your what? Your what? He doesn't know anything.
She's my girlfriend. Okay, we lost contact after our National Youth Service program. Okay, she traveled to the north to see her parents. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I lost the courage to tell you all this while. I'm sorry.
What have you done? What have you done? Benson! I love it. He doesn't know what he's talking about.
Have you been sleeping with my wife? Talk to me, man. Have you been sleeping with my wife?
Yes. Richard, the lady I was telling you about, okay, she's the one I was explaining to you the other day, and you asked me to. The day you asked me, she's the lady you asked me to bring to the house.
'Cause my past is here to haunt me. My past is here to haunt me. No, who would believe me? Who would believe me? Oh.
Onye nwe obi isi gị pụọ n'obi ya. Onye nwe akwụsịkwa gị rapụrụ isi akwụ ya. Rapụ m ka m kwụrụ ọnụ.
Madoka. No. I don't have kola nut in the house, but I have a nice drink that you will like. Michiak and Ezuruonye. Yes.
This looks like a foreign drink.
Of course, it is foreign drink. Yes, Richard brought it this afternoon when he came in.
Richard really came back?
Yeah, he came back. Richard said he was in a haste when he came in, and he said he had appointment in the city, so he left immediately. He didn't even spend up to 5 minutes.
And you couldn't send for me? You couldn't send for me?
Madoka, I just told you. He did not spend up to 5 minutes and he left immediately.
I have heard you open the drink.
Madoka, are you angry with me?
Why would I be angry with you? We are all expecting Richard to return. All of a sudden, he returned only to your house. Resigned to your house. The 5 seconds he's out of the town without informing me. And you want me to be happy? No, I should be happy and be clapping for you. No, but you have done well. Isn't it? That's what you want.
What are you insinuating?
What I'm insinuating? If you don't want to open this drink, I am leaving.
What's your problem?
No, but I am disappointed in you. Very disappointed in you.
Me? I am disappointed in you. Now get out of my house.
Oh, it's all right. Now give me the message he said you should give to me. Let me leave.
This is message. See that you give to me.
Is this all? What about my own drink? So there is no drink for me? You mean he couldn't give you drink, my own drink to keep for me? No, man. He couldn't give you a drink to keep for me. I am right here waiting for my own drink. Don't think I will live here without my own drink. I never drink. Me, I will be giving money only. Is this not a broad day robbery? We were all expecting that Richard should come back. All of a sudden he came back only to meet Norbert. And Cherukwe.
One good turn deserves another, but one bad turn, This life, no balance well. Again, no, well, again, no, neither. Now, so the Nangiga, Yabi, ne make on him, the Marona never go when he's here. One never.
How could now Richard came back all the way from overseas and nobody could send one of his children to call me? Richard came all the way from Obodo just to give me 20,000. 20,000. Nobody is a criminal, a smooth criminal. I know him. I've always watched him right from the time he was a child. He has always been a shifty. I won't take it.
I don't blame him. I don't blame him at all. Maruka, even if he wants to get Richard on phone, it's not possible because I'm only person that has Richard's contacts. Well, I don't blame him. If I had known, I would have given him 10,000 naira.
How would you use it? Nobody. How much did Richard give to you to give to me?
Maruka, did you smoke weed on the road?
It's you that smoke weed. I know who you are and what you're capable of doing. Now give me complete money as it was given to you by Richard to give to me. Give it to me. I'm waiting.
Maruka, have you lost your sense of reasoning? Now get out of my house before I lose my temper.
Well, there's no problem. Robert, lose your temper and beat me up. I know what you're capable of doing. You are wicked, Robert. You are just wicked.
Maduka, you are the one that is wicked. Now get out of my house. Get out.
Hey, Norbert. You think you can deceive me? Don't worry. I know how to find out from Richard the exact amount he gave to you to give me. Because I know who you are. All the time you like to corner everything that is given to everybody in this village. You will corner it. You want to chop alone. That is what you do all the time. That's what I'm trying to let you know. I'm just waiting. As it is. In fact, I'm not even asking Richard. I know how much he gave you.
You are a fool to think I'm a criminal like you. Next time, I will not accept anything on your behalf. Now get out of my house.
There is no problem. It will come out. You, don't worry. Never can go. Open no mayo. That is why your beard is like this. I will find out from Richard. We'll find out from Richard. You go somewhere, find my house.
I made a mistake by giving you 20,000 naira. Go.
You're welcome. Come here.
What is it?
I asked you to come here. You're asking me what is it? Huh?
You stopped me. It is only normal for you to tell me why you stopped me. Can't you see I'm in a haste? I'm going to the errand Mama sent me.
If I give you hot slap this minute, you will understand the mood I'm in right now. You and Mama, you people are very, very wicked. Very wicked. So Richard gave us 300,000 naira. 300,000 naira. And you and Mama decide to pocket it. Eh? You decide to hide it.
Abuchi, point of correction. That money was given to Mama alone. Alone, no, Abuchi, alone. Take your eyes off it. Uncle Richard promised to send some for me later on so I can register for my jam blessings.
You're a liar. Small girl, big lie. See, let me tell you. Let me tell you here and now. If you and Mama did not bring out that money, if you people did not bring out that money and give me my own share, you see that house will not contain us. It will contain us.
Abuchi, stop calling me a liar. Stop calling me a liar. I am not a liar. And I am not a small girl. I am not a small girl.
Nkoli, listen. You see that money, eh? If you and Mama refuse to give me my own share, eh? If I don't get my own share, eh? Nkoli.
Fear. Abuchi, to fear Kwagi. Instead of you to go and look for what to do and work like your fellow young men in this village, Abuchi, you're here looking for somebody that will give you your own share of the money. Fear.
Nkoli, Abuchi, you are talking to me.
I'm talking to you. Hey. You should be ashamed of yourself. Go and look for what to do. Go and look for your own money. Abuchi.
Nkoli, am I the one you're insulting?
I'm insulting you, yes.
You are insulting me, Nkoli.
Nkoli, Abuchi. Nkoli.
Stupid girl. Who's the wrong guy in this house? Who's the wrong guy in this house? Who's this? You people are working mass on my head in this house. Who's the wrong guy? Oh yeah. We'll see now.
Don't know what to do. I'm getting confused. I don't know what to do. I'm getting confused. 'Cause my past is here to haunt me. Is here to hurt me. No, who would believe me? Who would believe me? Oh, who will hear my side of story?
He has refused to pick my calls. He left here since afternoon and no one knows his whereabouts.
What? Gina, I'm sorry. Okay, I am sorry about everything that happened. I am sorry. Please, just that I just can't watch you slip away.
Stop.
Gina, please. Open up to Richard and tell him the truth.
Stop! Benson, stop! Stop talking to me! I hate you! Go away from me, please!
Gina. Gina. I want you to bear in mind, no matter what you do, I will never ever be alive and watch Richard take you away from me.
And I hate you. Just leave me alone. Leave. Get out.
I'll always be here. Gina, I will always be here. Gina, I will always be here.
'Cause my past is here to haunt me.
your mind? What are you up to? What is in your mind? What are you up to? This is dangerous. Dangerous. This is dangerous. Dangerous. Please run, run, run. As fast as you can run. Run, run, run. As fast as you can. Cause if you're not devil, you go use it. When you use it, finish, you go dump you. If you're loud devil, you go use it. If you use it, you go dump you. Please run, run, run. As fast as you.
Everybody come here. Everybody come here. If I don't deal with you this house, let me know the cause. Everybody come here. Nkoli. I'm the one you're making to be out of Fernando. Come here. Come here. Mama, tell Nkoli to come here.
For what? Nkoli, what did you do?
Mama, I did nothing to him. He said I insulted him. Mama, I did not insult Abuchi.
I have received enough insults from you stupid girl like you in this house. You see today, I must deal with you today in this house.
Be ready to deal with both of us. Deal with us.
Mama,
make our deal.
Mama, I don't like this thing you are doing, no.
What is that?
I don't like this thing you are doing. You are the reason this girl insults me every time in this house. But I came for Tata. Today, I must deal with you.
Deal with both of us. We are ready. I am ready, as you can see. Ngwa, deal with both of us now. You want us to disappear for you? Deal with both of us.
Mama, you are making me angry. You are making me angry, oh. Allow this girl to come here. Let me deal with her.
Deal with her. I am ready. Come and deal with both of us. Deal with both of us. Please get out. Let me get inside.
Oh, you are mocking me, huh? You are mocking me. You are making jest of me, huh? Just thank your God that Mama came back on time today. If not, I would have dealt with you.
Hey! Adelente. Abuchi.
Next time it's me and you. You.
Amusumu. You will only show your strength here in this house. Stupid boy. I don't know what is wrong with you. Nkoli, what is your problem? Can't you respect yourself for once? Allow Abuchi to be. You are a woman. Abuchi will destroy you. No man will look at you.
Mama, I did not do anything to Abuchi. I did not insult him.
You did not insult him. It's like you want to be a liability in this house. You must be very, very careful. He's your senior brother. Respect him for once. Only you. You won't allow me to rest. Eh? Susulu, go and take that bag inside. What is in your mind? What are you up to? What is in your mind? What are you up to? This is dangerous. Dangerous. This is dangerous. Dangerous. Please run, run, run. As fast as you can run. Run, run, run.
Darling. I sorry for everything. Richie. Richie.
Where's my son?
He's sleeping.
I want him here.
Eh?
I said I want him here now.
I said I want him here now! Now! Right now! What is in your mind? What are you up to? What is in your mind? What are you up to? This is dangerous. Dangerous. This is dangerous. Dangerous. Please.
Rest. Rest. Rex! Rex! Hey! Rex!
What is in your mind? What are you up to? What is in your mind? What are you up to? This is dangerous. Dangerous. This is dangerous. Dangerous.
Where is Rex?
You mean my son?
He is not your son, but Richard's. Where did you keep him?
Gina. Time has come for Richard to know every damn thing, including Rex's true paternity.
You bastard. You evil. Where is my son?
He's sleeping comfortably. I mean, comfortably in his true father's bedroom. Gina, you started it all. I can't wait to see the end of it.
I wish I can do more than that. I wish.
In case you're going to my room to get rest, I'm sorry you won't have access. I have the keys.
Don't know what to do.
Gina takes me for a fool, and she thinks I will take it lightly with her. I am ready to stake my life for this. I mean, nobody can take her away from me. She has forgotten the good old times we had together.
You know, I really can't thank God enough for bringing you my way.
Really? You know you're funny.
Promise me you'll always be here for me.
I promise. I will always be here for you. As long as you are there for me.
I will. Cross my heart. I'll always be here. I love you.
I love you too.
Okay. So how does she think I am going to let her disappoint me? Never. quite unfortunate Richard is the one involved. I will fight. I will fight for what is...
Are you not done? Are you not satisfied yet? Do you want to go on ruining my life?
Gina, I will not stop until I have what is rightfully mine.
Look around. Nothing is yours in this house. You have no property here. So take yourself out of this house.
But my property is standing right in front of me. Gina, I will not rest. I will not stop until I have what is rightfully mine. Gina, how could you? How could you forget so soon about the good old days? Gina, how we spent...
Don't touch me. Spare me that trash. Spare me that nonsense. Things have changed and you need to adapt to it.
I've lost it, Gina. I have lost all my features of adaptation. I can no longer adapt. Gina, you're the one making issues out of this matter. Gina, open up to Richard. Open up to Richard and free all of us from this torture, please.
You must be a fool. You must be stupid if you think I would do such a thing. Don't touch me.
What is in your mind? What are you up to?
I will not give up, Gina. I will not give up on you because you're rightfully mine.
This is dangerous. Dangerous. This is dangerous. Dangerous. Please run, run, run.
So, honey, can we go? You just came back. Can we go into the room?
Don't touch me. Can you talk?
I love...
You love who? You love who? Who do you love? My love, let's go inside this house.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. What did you just say?
He doesn't know what he's talking about.
What did you just say?
What I'm saying is...
Huh? No.
Let's go.
Stop talking! What did you just say?
She used to be my girlfriend.
Your what? Your what? Your what? He doesn't know anything.
She's my girlfriend. Okay, we lost contact after our National Youth Service program. Okay, she traveled to the north to see her parents. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I lost the courage to tell you all this while. I'm sorry.
What have you done? What have you done? Benson! I love it. He doesn't know what he's talking about.
Have you been sleeping with my wife? Talk to me, man. Have you been sleeping with my wife?
Yes.
What is in your mind? What are you up to? What is in your mind? What are you up to? This is dangerous. Dangerous. This is dangerous. Dangerous. Please run, run, run. as fast as you can run, 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 as fast as...
Good morning.
Sit. Benson. Benson, you're my only brother. You're my only surviving sibling after the death of our parents. I'm sure you have seen the 5 million naira transfer I made into your bank account. Benson, I want you to get out of my house. Leave me, my wife, and our lives forever.
I am sorry. I know I have done despicable things to you, considering how well you've taken care of me. Please, I am begging you. Allow me refund you every dime you spent on marrying Gina. Gina loves me. I love her too. I can't do this anymore. I can't hurt you anymore.
Benson. Benson. You're only alive right now because of the advice of my lawyer. Trust me when I say you don't want me to have a change of mind and heart. You don't want me to see you here in 2 hours.
If I take the money and leave as you have ordered me to, what about my son?
Your son? What are you talking about?
Rex is my son.
What did you say?
You heard me. I impregnated Gina a few weeks to your wedding. Rex is my son. He has my blood running in his veins.
Daddy! Daddy, good morning. Uncle, good morning. Daddy, where is Mommy? Uncle, where is Mommy? Have you seen her? Oh, really? Really now? You both are ignoring me.
'Cause my past is here to haunt me. Oh. My past is here to haunt me. No, who would believe me? Who would believe me? Oh, who will hear my side of story?
Last time I checked, Your name was Gina. And last time I checked, I married you as my wife. So, you know me. I'm not one for long speeches. In plain words, I need you to answer this question. All I need, as a matter of fact, is one name from the two you know. Who is the father of Rex? Gina, who is the father of Rex? Gina, who is the father of Rex?
Why ask her when I already told you? Rex is my son. Gina, go ahead and tell him the truth. Or are you going to deny it as well? Gina, we've been raising Rex as our own, the true parent. Tell him the truth.
Benson, leave here now. Benson, I said leave this room. So it's come to this. Have to betray me. Sleeping with my wife, my own brother. It's come to this. Do you really think I'm afraid? Huh? For your information, you've already killed me. With what you have done. You've killed me. Killed my spirit. You have killed my spirit, only my body is here. So I'm telling you now. Finish it. Finish it. Like the coward you are. Finish it. Shoot. If you're not a coward, shoot. I'm telling you now. Shoot. Shoot, goddammit!
I can't. I can't.
Your problem.
It's not true.
Very true.
Where is Benson?
Where is Benson? Benson.
Where is Benson? Your husband's brother.
Where is Benson, your husband's brother?
Talk to me. What is going on here?
Talk to her. What's going on here?
Oshno,
I.
You're stammering?
She's stammering. Auntie, ask her. Okay, let me tell you now. Benson is sleeping.
It's not true.
Very true.
It's not true. How can Benson be sleeping since yesterday I came here? I've not seen him. And you're telling me he's sleeping.
Auntie, Benson is sleeping. Ask her where Benson is sleeping.
Can someone tell me what is going on
here?
Where is Benson?
Gina, where is Benson?
Huh? Chineke, you're crying.
He's crying. Where is Benson?